Welcome to ClearTask. In today's quick tutorial, I will show you two simple methods to place text under a line in Microsoft Word. Let's start with the first method, using shapes. First, open your Word document and type your text. Next, navigate to the Insert tab at the top. Click on Shapes and select the Line tool. Hold down the Shift key to keep the line perfectly straight and drag your cursor just above your text. To customize it, click on Shape Outline to change the color and increase the line weight to your preference. While that method is quick, the second method is much more professional because it keeps the line and text grouped together, allowing you to move them as one unit. Here is how to do it using a text box. Go to the Insert tab, click Shapes, and choose Text Box. Draw the box on your page and type your text inside. To keep things clean, go to the Shape Format tab, click Shape Outline, and select No Outline. This removes the default border. Now highlight your text and go to the Home tab. Look for the Borders icon, click the drop-down arrow and select Borders and Shading. In the pop-up window, select the box setting. Then simply uncheck the bottom left and right borders, leaving only the top border active. You can adjust the color and thickness here as well. Once you are done, click OK. Now you can drag this text box anywhere in your document, and the line will perfectly follow your text. That is it. If you found this guide helpful, please like the video and subscribe to ClearTask for more direct and easy software tutorials. Thanks for watching.